Tara, punta tayo Opera Station. So, we're on our way to Bentan Station muna para itry ang kanilang train station here sa Vietnam. Hi guys, nakakuha na kami ng train tickets. Pupunta na ang Opera Station kasi pupunta kami ng Opera House. See you there in a bit. We're here guys. Parang 20 seconds lang ata binyahe namin. Sa tagal pa yung nilakad namin kanina. Bilis ng train. De-deposit lang muna natin itong card natin guys kasi nabasa natin may deposit or refund siya. Kasi nung doon sa pinasok namin kanina, hindi pala siya kukunin doon sa mismong counter. Hey!
Door is opening.
We're here guys! So that is it for this video. Follow for more updates. If you want good vibes, you're in the right hands.